Hi, so I'm going to show you how you can double check that a video you're using off of YouTube or any other source has closed captioning and also the ability to translate those captions. So if you're down here on the bar where the video is and you see that CC, that means it does have closed captioning. If you click on it right now, it is set for English, but students can change their subtitles and auto-translate them to any of these languages. Now, it's not perfect, but having the ability to see a video where they can use closed captioning to see different vocabulary or read and pause because the speaker is speaking really quickly, or to be able to read it in their home language is quite helpful for students.